Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling Vibrate on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now you have three options: Sound, Vibrate and Mute. The sound option will play sound and vibrate. Vibrate will just vibrate and mute will do neither. So to stop call and notification vibrations as well as sounds, select mute. However, if you would like to have sound on but vibrate off for your calls and notifications, follow the next steps. Turn on sound and then scroll down to and tap on vibration intensity. Slide the first two sliders all the way to the left to turn the vibration down to 0 for calls and notifications. You can also do this for touch interaction if you like. If you would like to turn off all vibrations, then go back to Sounds and Vibrations and tap on System Sound Vibration Control. Now, under the vibration heading, you can turn the toggle off for all types of vibration. You can have all of these toggles off and the vibration intensity sliders up for calls and notifications. If you would like to have vibrations for calls and notifications but no other vibrations. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.